Hello everyone. If you are running out of your storage and want to create a different partition on your Windows drive, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create partition on your Windows computer. So further ado, let's get started first. Look at this Windows bar on your computer. Right click on your mouse and look at the disk management system here. Click on it. Before that, let me show you I have just two drive here. One is C and the other one is D. Now I'm going to create another partition here. We can see this is my main SSD card. What I'm going to do is right click on your mouse and click on the shrink option here, and it will load for a couple of seconds. Then it will ask how much I want to shrink it down. So in order to know that, now open your calculator. Now go to your file manager. As we can see, I have just 127 GB of free storage. So I'm going to shrink it to 80 GB. For that, we will need to 1024 for the GB into 80 GB. So it's gonna be 81920. So what we are gonna select is 81290. Just click on the shrink option and it will begin to shrink the partition here. We can see there is an allocated partition here. And now if we right click on it and create a new simple volume, and it will ask, just click on the next option, keep the value as it is, then click on next and select the drive letter E or whatever you want to like. So as my previous drive letters are D, so I'm going to select it to E and click on next and leave all of this as it is. So just click on next and click on finish. It will load for a second, and as you can see, new volume found. So let me close it from here. If we head back to the file manager again, we can see there is another 80 GB of free storage here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.